Bionano Genomics technical analysis, starting off with the 1 hourly SAR here and Supertrend. We just got that bullish flip actually, which has not happened since this time right here, which was a false signal, which is a little bit scary. But the Supertrend, I always throw this number out here, 75% accuracy roughly. Typically, not always. Last time we got the Supertrend, besides that one false signal, it was a 30% gain, 20, 30, 40% gain. I'm not saying that's about to happen, but that is an extremely bullish sign. But something that's not very bullish is if we look at the 4 hourly chart here, we are getting rejected. We are getting rejected very harshly, but we also got the SAR flip on the 4 hourly. As of now, we only got one 4 hourly flip. We need to close the after hours being up 10%, hopefully, or at least 9, 8, 7%. If we do, we will have the 4 hourly flip on the parabolic SAR, stop and reverse indicator, which I'll put a card on the top right for if you don't know what the hell that means. It's bullish as heck. That's your ape language. Last time we got that, this was a false signal, right? Yes, yes. But typically, I always throw out 75%. Like I said, look at this last one. Predicted it perfectly. Okay, let's look at the time after that. Look at that. Here's your buy signal. Could have sold for a profit right there. Here's another one, right? That's a good one as well. And all the major run-ups, it's going to predict, right? If we look at the very start here, look, there's your entry point. There's your sell point, right? So you're looking up thousands of percentage if you followed it at that time. It's a good indicator, and it's a good indication for what's going to happen in the future. Not indicative completely, but it's a good thing, and it's a good thing nonetheless. But what is not that good is that we are pretty much getting rejected at $4.90 flat. If you look at the after hours here, we're at $4.89. We are still getting rejected at this decent level of resistance. And I would love tomorrow the level to watch is going to be $4, roughly $4.79. We need to close the day tomorrow over $4.97 to break out of this descending red level of resistance that we have not broken out of all the way. Well, I guess we had a little false signal, false run right there. But before that, besides that, it's been since February 12th, back in the good old days. I really like that we held, and we didn't really bounce off of it, but we almost did off that SMA 200. The 200-day SMA we held is at $4.15. The low was $4.30 today. Also, taking a look at the Bollinger Bands, we are much closer to that outer band than the top one. Looking at the RSI, I mean, it's the same indication. Basically, we're much more oversold than we're bought at 30 on the daily RSI. That's the buy signal. Look at the 4 hourly MACD. We got bullish confirmation. The signal line just crossed below the MACD line, representing a bullish crossover, which will hopefully, it does indicate some bullish momentum for the stock. I want to see us close where we are at right now in the after hours, and I want to see tomorrow us hold being up 10% or more. That would be very bullish, and I will be adding shares most likely if that happens. But NASDAQ, markets, inflation, JP, all these things are more indicative of this Bionano stop price short term than even this technicals are of this video, I would say. Another really important level of resistance is going to be that daily 200-day exponential moving average. Is at 510 right now, which is very scary. $5.10. We need to break above that to kind of flip back into bullish macroscopic territory, right? You can make the argument that 200-day SMA, that's the real indicator, or the 200-day EMA. I typically side with the 200-day EMA, to be honest with you, but the fundamentals of this company prevents me from selling any shares, essentially. At least at these prices, it certainly does. Institutional ownership has increased dramatically, very like 3% increase. We're going to be going over everything you need to go and know in regards to that. The earnings report, the news today, the Twitter, the earnings, the revenue, right? Everything. We're going to go over that in a whole separate video. For now, I want to direct you to the BNGO Full Due Diligence document, 78 pages. Now it is going to be linked in the comments for the video of that due diligence is going to be linked in the comments, pinned in the comments and the description, and at some point there will be a card on the top right for you for that video. But otherwise, besides that, current positions in my videos, we show my portfolio every day, every video. I try to do it every video to ensure honesty and transparency. Here's my Bionano position. We have a leap. We have 2 leaps. Well, we have 1 leap, three contracts here, and one kind of smaller date, November expiration date here. So that's my whole portfolio. So full transparency for all my positions, because you can say one thing if you don't show the proof. How do you know that the viewers don't know if they can believe it or not? For me, you can believe it. Relevant information in regards to the title has finished now. Earnings, let's go. Let's go, man. I'm so happy. Mistakes, I admit my mistakes when I'm wrong, and obviously I'm not really focusing on my mistakes right now, but I've made plenty of mistakes, especially the last few weeks with the NASDAQ calls. I've been wrong totally. And of course, it's not my fault for your investing decisions, but I do want to admit my mistakes. I've been wrong the last few weeks. Also, Brandon That's how you spell my name. That's how you pronounce it, not Brendan. I saw a couple of live chat comments like that. I don't care if you mispronounce or misspell my name, but I just wanted to, they were wondering, so I thought I would say that's how you spell my name with the capital B, I guess, you know, and not with the lowercase b. Anyways, this is not financial advice. Thank y'all so much, and I'll see y'all in the next one.